Okay, so the title of my research is Illocutionary Acts Analysis in Donald Trump's 2024 Victory Speech. Before I start, let me introduce myself. My name is Krisna Weny. I am from Universitas Sumatera Utara and I am a student of Master's Program of English Language. So in my PPT, there will be 5 parts. The first one, introduction. The second one, method. The third one, result. The fourth one, discussion. And the last one, conclusion. Introduction. According to Kahneman, the understanding of speech acts is essential. Most EFL students and educators feel that understanding grammatical principles and fundamental vocabulary is essential for social engagement. EFL students who lack pragmatic knowledge of a language will struggle to communicate successfully. There has been limited focus on the presidential victory speeches that involve illocutionary speech acts. This study provides a comprehensive analysis of the communication style utilized by Donald Trump in his victory speech. The researchers selected Donald Trump's speech due to his status as the most persuasive individual in the United States. As the elected president, his utterances are intriguing to many individuals. This study used a descriptive qualitative method. Qualitative research does not use statistical processes or quantification to discover data. This study used data from President Donald Trump's victory speech. The data was gathered from the YouTube Fox 9 Minneapolis St. Paul channel and then transcribed into sentences indicating the presence of illocutionary acts. The data analysis methodologies used in this study were determining utterances as sentences, including illocutionary acts, categorizing the findings according to Shirley, interpreting the results, and concluding. Assertive acts. 1. And frankly, this was, I believe, the greatest political movement of all time. America has given us an unprecedented and powerful mandate. It is now clear that we have achieved the most incredible political thing. Bobby, for the directive acts. Bobby, leave the oil to me. Bobby, stay away from the liquid gold. I'm asking every citizen all across our land to join in this noble and righteous endeavor. We have to put our country first for at least a period of time. We have to fix it. For the commissive acts, it's going to reach a new level of importance because we are going to help our country heal. Every citizen, I will fight for you, for your family, and for your future. Every single day, I will be fighting for you with every breath in my body. I will not rest until we have delivered the strong, safe, and prosperous America that our children deserve and that you deserve. This is a magnificent victory for the American people that will allow us to make America great again. We are going to make you very happy. We are going to make you very proud of your vote. We'll be keeping control of the House of Representatives. We are gonna pay you back. We are gonna do the best job. We are going to paying down debt. We are going to be reducing taxes. They said he will start a war. I'm not going to start a war. I'm going to stop wars. The task before us will not be easy, but I will bring every ounce of energy, spirit, and fight that I have in my soul to the job that you have entrusted to me. I will govern by a simple motto: promises made, promises kept. We are going to keep our promises. Nothing will stop me from keeping my word to you, the people. We will make America safe, strong, prosperous, powerful, free again. I will not let you down. America's future will be bigger, better, bolder, richer, safer, and stronger than it has ever been before. For the expressive acts, I want to thank the American people for the extraordinary honor of being elected your 47th president and your 45th president. I want to thank Mike Johnson. I think he's doing a terrific job. I want to also thank my beautiful wife, Melania, First Lady who was the #1 best-selling book in the country. She has done a great job, works very hard to help people, so I just want to thank her, but I want to thank my whole family, my amazing children. I want to thank the millions of hardworking Americans across the nation who have always been the heart and soul of this really great movement. My father-in-law picture is tremendous. We miss very much Melanie's mother Amalia. We miss Amelia, don't we? She should be very happy right now standing on this stage. She'll be so proud. She was a great woman, that one, beautiful inside and out. Everybody up here is great. Everybody up here is very special. Discussion. Assertive acts. In Data 1, presented in Table 1, the term frankly emphasizes his statement and spotlights his conviction. In Data 2, presented in Table 1, the phrase unprecedented and powerful show truthfulness in the utterance. In Data 3, presented in Table 1, Donald Trump emphasized his belief since he uses the word clear to clarify his remark. Directive acts. In Data 1, presented in Table 2, the word leave emphasizes his utterance, indicating his command. In Data 2, presented in Table 2, the term stay away emphasizes his utterance, showing his wish. In Data 3, presented in Table 2, the utterance I am asking emphasizes his utterance, expressing his request. Commissive acts. In Data 1, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, presented in Table 3, the elected president used the press going to inform the American public about his previous ambitions. Therefore, the statement made by Donald Trump is classified as a commissive act. In Data 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 14, 15, 16, the elected president used the word will to guarantee America's future. Therefore, the utterances made by Donald Trump belong to the category of commissive acts, since they indicate that he presents his future agenda. Expressive acts. In the data presented in Table 4, the elected president used the words thank you, great and very special to express his gratitude to the American, his family, his father and mother-in-law, and Mike Johnson as the Speaker of the United States House of Representatives that had elected him as the 45th and 47th President. Consequently, the utterances made by Donald Trump qualifies as an expressive act, stating his gratefulness. Conclusion. This study concluded that the elected President Donald Trump used several illocutionary speech acts to engage with the American society and functionaries in his victory speech. The recognized category of illocutionary speech acts are expressive, commissive, assertive, declaration. However, no declaration speech acts were used in the victory speech. This indicated that Donald Trump did not convey factual statements, but expressed thanks, excitement, confidence, and dedication to all the participants involved in his campaign. These results offer an advanced comprehension of speech and political statement in the elected President Donald Trump victory speech. Thank you.